Hello friends, good evening. My name is Shubham Rajaram Gudiwal. I am from Aurangabad. I have completed BCS my education and Devgiri College in Aurangabad. And my today's topic is inheritance. Okay. What is inheritance? Inheritance, when we construct a new class from existing class, is a such a way the new class access the and features access property access is called as a inheritance. Okay. Note it Java extend keyword is used to inheritance all property access. Okay. Second one is it provide code usability. All code usability used to inheritance also better. Okay. Third one is we cannot access private you cannot access private member class then inheritance. Okay. Any private classes not access inheritance. Okay. Fourth one is such class contains all the features of a class. We should create object or subclass. Okay. Fifth one is method overloading only possible to inheritance. It is a method overloading only possible in a inheritance is a better. Okay. Then syntax of inheritance, class A is a super class, and then method and data, and then class B extend class A, it is a subclass. It is called as inheritance. All of it is a inheritance. Then types of inheritance. Okay. Four types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance, second is a multi-level inheritance, third one is a multiple inheritance, and fourth one is hierarchical inheritance. First is a single inheritance. Single inheritance, one super class and then one subclass is called as a single inheritance. Example single inheritance, class A and then property. These example int A equals to 10 and int B equals to 20, and sysout and A plus B, and then addition, and then class B extend class A, and int C equals to 20, and int B equals to 30, and then using subtraction and sysout subtraction and extend keyword used, and all property class B extend all properties class A, and then addition subtraction perform output. Okay, it is a single inheritance. Then multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, one superclass and multiple subclass is called as a multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, one superclass connect to subclass 1, and subclass 1 connect to subclass 2, subclass 2 connect to subclass 3. It is a multi-level, level by level by level. It is called as multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance example, class A and class A, and then class A then perform method and property, and then create a class B extend class A, and then performing operation data method property, and then third one is create a class 3 and extend the class B, and then performing the operation and